Hello, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a delicious and nutritious topic to dive into: the incredible benefits of eating oats every day. Join us on this journey as we explore why incorporating oatmeal into your daily routine can have a profound impact on your health and well-being. We'll unravel the science behind oats, share some mouth-watering recipes, and provide you with compelling reasons to make oats your breakfast buddy. Let's get started. Number 1. The Oatmeal Revolution. Before we dig into the incredible health benefits, let's understand the humble oat. Oats are nutrient-packed powerhouses, loaded with fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They are a versatile ingredient that can be transformed into a variety of delicious dishes. Number 2. Oats, your heart's best friend. If you're looking for heart-healthy options, look no further. Oats have been proven to lower bad cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. We'll explore the science behind this and share some easy ways to incorporate oats into your diet. Number 3. Oats for weight management. Maintaining a healthy weight is a priority for many. Discover how oats can help you feel fuller for longer, manage your appetite, and support your weight loss journey. We'll also unveil some scrumptious recipes for a satisfying, low-calorie breakfast. Number 4. Blood sugar control. Blood sugar spikes can wreak havoc on your health. Find out how oats, with their low glycemic index, can help stabilize blood sugar levels. We'll share tips for those concerned about diabetes and provide diabetic-friendly oatmeal recipes. Number 5. Nutritional value of oats. Let's take a closer look at the nutritional treasure chest oats offer. From vitamins and minerals to antioxidants, oats provide a wide array of nutrients that promote overall well-being. We'll break down the nutritional value and discuss why oats are a smart addition to your diet. Number 6. The Oatmeal Revolution. Fun recipes. It's time to get creative in the kitchen. Join us for some fun, nutritious oatmeal recipes that will tantalize your taste buds. From overnight oats with a twist to savory oat bowls, we've got something for everyone. These recipes are not only delicious, but also incredibly easy to prepare. Number 7. Oats for skin and hair health. Did you know that oats can work wonders for your skin and hair? We'll share beauty secrets involving oats, including homemade face masks and hair treatments that will leave you glowing. Number 8. The ultimate breakfast choice. Discover why oats reign supreme as the ultimate breakfast choice. We'll explore quick and healthy breakfast ideas that fit into your busy lifestyle, making oats the go-to morning meal. Number 9. Frequently asked questions. We've heard your questions, and now it's time to answer them. We'll address common queries about oats, such as their carb content, calories, and impact on blood sugar. Stay tuned for the facts you've been curious about. Number 10. Making oats your daily habit. Ready to embrace the oatmeal revolution? We'll provide practical tips on how to incorporate oats into your daily routine effortlessly. From meal prep to on-the-go options, we've got you covered. As we wrap up this journey into the world of oats, we hope you're as excited as we are about the transformative potential of this incredible grain. Oats are more than just a breakfast choice. They're a game changer for your health. By eating oats every day, you can pave the way to a healthier, happier you. Remember, the road to wellness often starts with simple, delicious choices like oats. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Health Buddy for more health-boosting insights. Here's to a future filled with vitality, one oat at a time. For more delectable recipes, health tips, and nutritional wisdom, stay connected with To Health Buddy. We're dedicated to helping you make informed choices for a healthier life. So, until next time, keep savoring those oats, and take the first step toward a healthier, happier you.